I just listened to a gentleman who was caught up with emotions and paying very little attention to the accuracy of what he said because I'm subject to correction, Matt, but I think I heard him saying that no government can remove you from these apartments, whether you have titles or not. And legally, that's inaccurate. Unless and until you become the owner of an apartment, should the ownership be vested in the state, a government can remove you from the apartment. And under Roosevelt Skerritt's watch, we have seen that happen. There are reports of persons who were given apartments, and upon their passing, the apartments were not passed on to their relatives or next of kin. The state took back the apartments and gave whoever they wanted to give it to. So that statement is incorrect as far as the policy of the Labour Party is concerned, and it's incorrect as far as the law is concerned. Nobody is the owner of the apartment until he or she is given a document in writing based on our laws. By operation of law in Dominica, you are not the owner of the apartment until and unless it is in writing. And writing on deed paper and must register. So you could be the equitable owner, you could be a licensee. As it is right now, legally, the persons in the apartments are licensees, except if they can show a document where the state would have vested the interests of the apartment into their names. So when the Prime Minister said that no government can remove you from the apartment, whether you have a title or not, that's a very interesting statement because legally it is incorrect.
So if a government takes over tomorrow, that can happen.
Well, of course, Matt. But as I told you right here, I mean, we have not had a change of government. You have heard several reports.
Yeah.
I mean, I don't know how true it is, but in the public circle, I've understood that there was this gentleman, Sogofly. After he was given an apartment, after his passing, that same apartment.
Joe T too.
And there was a situation in Joe T.
Yes.
So let's not.
It's Monster B, not Joe.
Yeah,
Right,
sorry.
right. Monster B, whoever it is, right? So here you go.
Yeah.
So there isn't a change. There wasn't a change of government. Right under this government's watch, it happened. Now, did the next of kin of a deceased Monster B challenge the government? Did the next of kin of Sogofly challenge the government? And if they did, would they have been successful? The government felt that, look, you were in the apartment, you had no documents, you did not have a deed, you did not have a certificate of title, we did not vest the apartment in your name, and therefore we are in a position to decide who to give the apartment. So we don't have to wait for a change of government to see that the statement that the Prime Minister made is inaccurate, incorrect, whether it was recklessly, negligently, or otherwise, but it is an